Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to discuss about this 40-inch AOC LED that comes to repair with the fault. No graphics problem? See friends, this is the panel related fault. It indicates a display problem. See friends, here you can see the display condition. See friends, this TV comes with a 40-inch Innolux panel. We will soon update the repairing video of this panel. Full repairing video is coming soon on so please stay tuned for the complete video. See friends, this is the results after repairing. Now the TV display becomes back to normal with 100% working condition, without using any kind of temporary fixing method. Here we fixed this TV using a permanent method. Full video coming soon on our channel, please stay tuned.